Marian High School was founded in 1955 by the Servites, and we have about 700 girls that come to school here every day. There are a lot of Catholic schools in Omaha. It's a very Catholic area, so there are several other choices, but Marian is the largest of the all-girls Catholic schools. We started this indoor training facility program about 3 years ago. We were inspired to kind of step up our game with golf. We saw a lot of young people, to the juniors, interested. It's definitely been a great investment for Marian. We're a very successful program. We've been always in the top 10 here in the Class A, which is the largest school class in Nebraska. And this past year, we won our first state championship. We had an undefeated season, which first time that's happened in about 20 years here in Nebraska. And so we're really excited about that, and we think that this facility has played a big role in our success.
So when you talk to the girls about what it is that they feel makes them better, they always mention the golf simulators. And we love to hear that because it is an investment into our girls and into the golf program. And that is what they need. That is the kind of investment that they need to take their game to the next level.
One of the ways that the simulator has really helped me as a player is confidence. On the course, in the simulators, anywhere, just it helps me so much when I'm on the course not to be scared when I'm setting up to the ball.
Before we had this facility, I never dreamed we would be able to compete against the warm weather states, like in this tournament at Pinehurst where we're playing the other state champions. But with this facility, I don't see any reason why we can't keep up with the Georgia and Florida, Carolina, Texas schools who get to play year-round.
Being able to play on a simulator in the winter is so important for keeping my game sharp because I'm able to constantly be able to fix my swing and see my swing.
Simulator really gives the girls great diagnostics on what they're doing wrong and what in their impact might be a little bit off. It's very hard for the girls on the course or even on the driving range when they hit a shot and it's not the outcome that they expected. It's very hard for them to understand why that shot went the way it did.
One thing we find with a lot of younger players that are learning the game is they don't really have a good sense of where the ball's hit in the club face and what the club's really doing through the hitting area. So the simulators really give them that great feedback.
It tells them exactly what caused that particular shot. And then that enables both them and us to immediately attack the right problem. Rather than trying to figure out what caused that problem, we know right away what it was and we can make progress on fixing it. With our conditions here, we really needed the top of the line projector. And so we were really, really happy to find the BenQ projector, and all the reviews on it are just fantastic. It's totally lived up to our expectations.
Play like you're there really is happening. They are there. It's so vivid, it's so realistic that you can't help but shape your shot the way you need to, make the right decisions, all the course management things that goes into play. It doesn't happen unless you're there. BenQ helps it be there.
I think the better the quality of the projector, the more realistic it looks, the more it feels like real golf, and the more people are apt to practice and the more benefit they get out of it.
The BenQ 4K projector definitely feels so real, especially when I'm doing an actual course. It can show me where my shot would land, everything like that, and it feels like I'm actually on a real course.
I feel like Marian's facilities are such a showstopper. When people come onto this campus and they see our facilities, it literally stops them in their tracks. And having a facility like this that offers everything that it does for our student athletes is absolutely amazing. And I think it contributes to our recruitment, it contributes to our retention. And it shows the girls that we're investing in them, that we have confidence in them, that we want to make sure that they have what they need to succeed. And they feel valued, which is incredibly important, especially as women playing sports. We just want to make sure that they feel like they have all of the resources that their counterparts do playing the other sports that are offered.
Pretty much any girl in this area, if golf is her thing and they come see this facility, it's going to be hard for them to decide to go to another school. It's taken us from top 10 in the state to the best team in Nebraska, probably top 3 in the Midwest, and our goal is to be top 10 in the country. There's no way we could be where we are today and making the progress we are without this system, and the projectors have been a key part of that.